Moving on, you're talking about your roommate and when you met, and मुझे last सुनाई दिया कि she was from Delhi, and आगे क्या?
हाँ, so what happened is since she was from Delhi, तो मैं उसका सब captions वगैरह लिखती थी, like उसके जो भी Instagram के bio से लेके उसके captions तक मैंने लिखे हैं. Like everything I used to search, I used to think, I used to give it to her, and then she used to write it, and now she's all cool and she has cool captions because of me. But song lyrics होते थे उसके captions.
Okay, so you mean to say that the Delhi roommate of yours, she used to come up with those photos. ठीक है, photos उसके पास है, but the captions and when
captions is all the writer's work right here.
And so, मतलब लोगों को अच्छा, do people know that the brain behind these captions or the messages that your friends send is the actual Shraddha and not the person?
I just tell them keep type in this way because what happens when I type a text, it's too straightforward. So like my friends have to tell me tone it down a little. मैं तो बोल देती हूँ कि this is this. They'll be like no, put some I'm sorry in front. You know, take care, end में थोड़ा heart, flowers वगैरह सब put that. वरना I'm तो like too मुफट. मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ.
Interesting. And so, also at the same time, I want to know. So, Shraddha, was this the moment, the time where you were single, or you were also committed? So you know कि अच्छा ये issues है, या फिर you were like कि single है तो फिर कोई भी relationship advice दे सकता है?
अरे तो I think because like my roommate and me, like at that point of time, it was just the start of college now. So obviously I was single, and then every like बहुत time हो गया था. Like the only thing was that when like my roommate is a sort of a person who has a very like she has enjoyed her first year of college.
Okay, enjoyed. I get it.
Yeah, so like not enjoyed, like enjoyed. Like good enough enjoyed.
Right.
And I have just been like, oh, like I know my mom would have said yes if I would have asked her, but I never thought, like, never thought of stepping, like still like in 1 year, first year of college, I was still very unsure about stepping out of a boundary that I had created for the last, 10th and 11th and 12th stand, like 4 years. I had created like a boundary, and even after I went away from home, I was very scared to step out of that boundary. कि मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, that always that second thought, like
right,
like there were like multiple doubts.
So that is the point ki that was like 10th, 11th, 12th ki Shraddha, even during the first year, and now coming onto the stage where she runs a business successfully, handles उनकी एग्जाम बहुत अच्छे से, and at the same time घर वाले की the राजा रानी बन के रह रही है. So how does she manage all that, and when did that swap happen कि okay, I want to actually start a business by actually writing letters for people who in general want to express themselves but can't?
But I think like when you say like if you would have asked me like a year back or even like 4 years back or when bachpan mein likhte the like what do you want to become, I never had that I will own a business or I would want to start a business. I thought ki because since everyone in my family does a 9 to 5 job or is a teacher or is in a set bound of rules that they have not created for themselves, they follow rules. I never thought of doing anything because मेरे पास कोई real life experience नहीं कि मैं उठा के बोलूं अरे my father has done this, my mother has done this. मैं ऐसे कोई उठा के ऐसे बोल नहीं सकती ना कि they have this experience, I've learned it, I've seen them grow. I've never done it. I've only seen them come. My father works from 8 to 9 in the night and 8 to 6 in the night. I've seen that phase. Like I've never seen a more ki ghar pe everything is according to what you please.
What you want, right.
And I have never thought to never literally, so in Christ what we have is we have 4 specializations that you can choose from.
Okay.
So एक है marketing, finance, entrepreneurship development and HR.
Okay.
So abhi my roommate and me make a lot of fun of the people who will take entrepreneurship development क्योंकि उनको तो अपने डैड का बिजनेस संभालना है at the end of the day.
हाँ,
And
right.
that's who would want to do entrepreneurship development and go
Right.
ahead with that. ये career मतलब तुम कॉलेज डिग्री ले रहे हो क्योंकि तुम्हें बिजनेस संभालना, वो तो बेसिक नॉलेज से भी हो जाता है.
Right.
Like it's all inherited. No one
Yes.
can teach you all
Yes,
this.
indeed.
So right now also in like college we have entrepreneurship development as a subject.
Mm-hmm.
And starting में I did not have any interest. I was like मेरे को नहीं करना, मेरे को business थोड़ी ना संभालना है जाके किसका, business थोड़ी ना करना है या startup थोड़ी ना करना है. And I never paid attention to that class ever. Like for the first 1.5 months, 2 months, I would have not paid attention.
Mm-hmm.
And then suddenly I decided to, like, when this entire thing came into my mind, like, I should do something about it. For the only reason ki I did not want to do internships. I did not want to do घिसा पिटा internship college में ना पैसा मिले. मेरे को तो सबसे बड़ा scam लगता है एकदम. Internships in college are a big scam.
Yeah, perfect. I completely agree.
Yeah, they will not give you money. They will take all your resources. They will think that they own you just because you work for them, and they're going to give you a letter of recommendation. I never mind working for a company where I would love to. Obviously, 2 years, 3 years down the line, I would want to work for a company. But I know that would be a company where I like. And in internships में क्या होता है, तुम कितने सारे में apply कर रहे, तुम्हें 1-2 मिलता है, and they just because they have a lot. I get experience, but the thing is you're also trying to learn, and learning doesn't happen until unless rewards are given. मेरे को तो ये लगता है, like you should, if you're learning something, reward तो मिलना चाहिए. Like marks तुम्हारे reward है at the end of the day when you're studying for an exam, या तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो तुम्हारे पास वो reward है. But like like baseless college internships, that is not there. And I think that also came, I think I got an existential crisis also beach mein ki a company, a big company, I will not take the name, a big company had come, and the entire recruitment process ki exam likho, tumhara marks डालो कितना तुम्हें 10th में मिला है, 12th में मिला है, अभी 3 semester में तुम्हें कितने मिले हैं, and they will recruit on the basis of that test in year.
Okay.
And when I'm talking about I study in Christ ka interview process is the most unconventional one. Matlab, neither do they see your marks that much. They see how much you can present yourself in the 5 minutes that you are in front of them. And this is not there for any college that I have applied to in the last 1.5 year. जो March से लेके मैंने April तक college applications भरे हैं जो बैठ के, but like the last 4-5 months of like 2019, I know like start months of 2019, I know this is complete, like I know what all goes through, and I never wanted to be like कि मेरे marks deciding factor नहीं होनी चाहिए. Like it should be my personality, it should be the way I am. It's supposed to be कि how much I've gained from whatever I've learned. And it's never supposed to be कि मेरे को कितने marks आए maths और accounts में. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को नहीं पसंद वो subject. मेरे को क्यों based like my entire college, me not getting into a good college is based on the fact that कि मेरे को 80 आए हैं उसमें या 65 आए हैं. Like मेरे को नहीं चाहिए था वो. And obviously and if you would have asked me a year back also कि would you ever start something on your own, I think this started when I created a college club.
Okay.
Alright, so because there was nothing in our campus which was for artists or creators as such, and it was just a mere WhatsApp group, and I wanted to create something a bit beyond that. So I think the starting initiative ki that I can do something more also, that started with me creating a club in my college. Now बहुत cool लगता है college में when someone knows you as the founder of so and so club.
Interesting. Actually, I would also like to mention and ask here, in generally, as you mentioned, but a lot of students in India currently have that mindset towards placements, या फिर towards कि ठीक है XYZ course में अच्छे marks लाने. So even that school में जो mindset रहता है कि you have to score good in those unit tests on that summative assessments, that they carry forward even during the college time as well. So somewhere down the line, still we are still churning out job seekers more than job creators at the end of the day. And when we
Yeah.
look at India being a youth country with a lot of people being in the 20 to 30 age group, what do you think, and especially about they like trying and basically trying different hobbies, or the going after different passions during the college time, be it clubs, committees, be it sports, and then also something like you, that they can, if they don't find a club or committee in that college, they can go ahead and form one and found one. So what are your thoughts on that? And then you can go ahead.
So when you talk about people like still in India, I know in 10th grade, the emphasis of board exams, ना घर पे एकदम मतलब my mom used to like नहीं, एक 4 महीना पहले एग्जाम से बाहर नहीं जाना है, किधर ये नहीं करना है, बैठ के पढ़ना है, मतलब एग्जाम के लिए बहुत टाइम है. Mama used to time से बहुत पहले, used to, and I think it's so much more dependent on social media also, because that time Instagram had a very unconventional learning also, because when I started studying in Dubai, we did not have textbooks, we had iPads and all of that. And then I came here to textbook learning from CBSE to ICSE. Like that was an entire big change where English is limited to not just your prose and poetry, it's related to Shakespeare and whatnot. Okay? And like how much more emphasis in ICSE is given to mug it up and you will get marks, how much you remember. And the only thing is, I know the amount of hard work that I have given in 9th and 10th to get those 10th marks, but when it came to 11th, right, I was in an environment, and I'm not even afraid or ashamed to say this, I hated my 11th and 12th school. I hated it. Like, I don't think I've talked to so many people outside of that school, the people who have been in that school for like years and years really like that school. But I don't know, every time I woke up, I never had like for the 16 years of my life, there was not one day where I would be like, I don't want to go to school. But suddenly in 11, that completely changed, where I always wanted to sleep. I never wanted to get up and go out and put myself into an environment where teachers are screaming on the top of their lungs कि तुम्हें marks क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं, तुम करो marks लाओ, marks ही तुम्हारी जिंदगी है, marks नहीं मिले तो तुम्हारा कुछ है ही नहीं scope in life.
True.
And I think after like a point of time, like 10th was like my mom's capacity of like being behind my neck and behind my head. And then after 12th, when 12th came, there was no presence like the way it was like so embedded in like 10th grade. In 12th, it was not that much. Like it wasn't that much. And when I may think कि मेरे को उतने marks नहीं आए कि जितने मेरे को होने, how much I think I should have gotten.
Right.
Probably would have been because of कि मेरी mom ने मेरा इतना ऐसे, the way she was behind my head 24/7 कि पढ़ वो था नहीं 12th में, तो probably even that. But I don't regret कि मैंने जैसे exam दिया, how my life has turned out. That time also I did not regret it. Yeah, for a day I did, but after that I don't think so. I always kept this thing कि I know 2 years down anything happens in my life now, anything that I doubt, I always tell my best friends, I was like, 2 years down the line, remember you asked me this, I will laugh at it. I know I will laugh at it after 2 years, because even if whatever the decision may turn out, मैं तो हंसूंगी इस पे कि मैंने ऐसे किया था, मैंने सोचा भी था. Like I will laugh it out. I will not. And I think that's one thing I always tell. Like, 2 साल बाद हंसना ही है ना इस पे, कर लेते जो होना है होगा. It's okay. And people, I think it's so much more parental pressure.
Exactly. Coming on to that. कि पता है मतलब Shraddha, what happens is because during your school times as well, and as you mentioned teachers, तो इतना प्रेशर बन जाता है, तुम्हारा माइंडसेट यही हो जाता है, you become marks oriented more, and you become something of a person. जो आप छोटे थे, you would want to take risks. You are like a curious brain. You ask questions कि ये है तो ये ऐसा क्यों है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हो सकता. But as you grow up, you know, you have your responsibility, and वो risk taking ability कहीं चली जाती है. तो अभी वही है कि you want to play safe, you want to play secure, and that is why 9 to 5 job या फिर एक engineering करके या फिर you take any degree के बाद 9 to 5 job, that is what Indian society thinks is successful and is sufficient for you to lead a happy life. So when you break that shackles, and especially in an Indian parent like household types, and when you see your like peers जो स्कूल में साथ में थे या फिर अभी कॉलेज में साथ में है, who either go for placements or who are well off as compared to you currently, in the say कि they are doing society के हिसाब से अच्छी चीज है. So what is your mindset कि ठीक है, अच्छा ये कि 2-3 साल बाद तो यही सब कुछ सेम हो जाएगा. But how do you cope up with that as of now?
See, now I think your question was like how, yeah. So my brother is an engineer. The typical, you will want a typical लड़का को देख के कि इसने ये किया होगा. My brother exactly is like that.
Right.
Engineer, mechanical engineer, MBA in marketing,
Mm-hmm.
topper of his class, etc. जो जैसे has a great job right now. But when I look at him, he's happy he's doing that. He's out of doing it. Like I've not seen anyone who's so happy doing that job. Like I have never seen like my bhabhi or my brother and my father also.
Okay.
Whatever I think that runs in the family. Like whatever they do, they take up such a thing that they love doing it. Like no matter how much sleepless nights would have been there, no matter how much tension would have revolved around it. But when they sit on the desk with their laptop and on meetings, I know every time I pass the study room and I see my brother and my bhabhi, I always see how they are content in doing that. It may be a little over the time, etc., but they're content in doing that. And that's when it also came to me, probably I will not be happy. मैं ऐसे एक जगह में 9 to 5 literally खाली lunch के लिए उठना and like I can't do that. Right. When I think of myself in that position, yeah, probably one day I would want to do it, but right now I'm just 20, like I'm turning 20, I'm just there. I've not done anything कि मैं एक साल में at the age of 21 I will sit in a small cubicle with 10 other people same as me sitting and doing the same work that I'm doing with no recognition, with like nothing, with only that ittusa money in your bank account, where I'm getting I may get sure happiness, who knows. 2 years down the line, I don't know how much happiness I will get, but when I think of it, think of doing like internships for big companies and all of that, it just takes me aback a little, like, do I want to do it? Like, do I still want to do it? And if you ask me right now, people who are doing more conventionally better than me in the society terms, there are many. ठीक है, मेरे को पता है at a point of time I used to do MUNs कि मेरे को वो लोगों की तरह बनना था कि like I have good communication skills, I have good public speaking skills, but I never wanted to do MUNs. कौन चीख के चिल्ला के टेबल थपथपा के बोलेगा कि ये मेरे को नहीं करना है, वो लाइफ में was never my aim, never my goal. I never found it cool. I regret spending so much of my parents' money on MUN suits, which have never benefited me in my life till now. I know, but it's good to have a suit. Always have a suit.
Always have a suit. MUN is basically for in our college. It's more about socials rather than the actual MUN.
So please have a suit. Girls also make sure you have a professional suit pant. ठीक है? It looks great to look like a boss lady. Sometimes it's okay.
Sometimes it's helpful to wear it for the day, and even if you're not speaking, अच्छा लगता है. You feel good about yourself. You
feel good about yourself. So like the same thing, I know, but there was a time, I've told this to my mom also. There was a time where I reevaluated all the choices, and I think that was the biggest change in my life. Like So boards खत्म होने के बाद 12th के boards के बाद in school they call you to take your like certificate and mark sheet and all of that, right?
Right.
So my class teacher was giving us the mark sheet. He asked me to get 90% up because 90% up के लिए अलग से एक invitation card जा रहा था कि wow, exceptional work कि तुमने फोड़ के रट्टा मार के 90% ला दिया. Take here, invite your parents and celebrate this mockery that you have created out.
Right.
And your life. So वो तो पूछ रही थी सब teacher, did you get above 90 and all? I'm like, the teacher knows that I did not get above 90. मतलब 90 नहीं मिला मेरे को. She like, did you get? I was like, no ma'am. Like, oh, it's okay. I was like, it's okay. No need to feel sorry. It's completely all right. No, it's completely all right. And then she made like she had a table, okay, and she asked everyone to write in our class ki, what's your name, where are you going, and what are you going to do, like what is your next 3 years ka plan.
Okay.
वो पेपर में नाम CA सब में CPT CA फाउंडेशन CS लिखा है, भर के लिखा है. गिन चुने लोगों ने लिखा है इको ऑनर्स करेंगे हम. I was the only one, I think, in that list who had written BBA honors. ऐसे ब्रैकेट में HR. Okay. And I literally took that mark sheet. I saw another teacher and like which college I went. Proudly I wrote Christ वहाँ पर बाजू में, ठीक है. Good enough college. It's amazing college. One of the top colleges in for commerce. Cool. इतना तो ठीक है. At least ढंग का लग रहा है. इतने सारे लोगों ने लिखा है CA.
Interesting.
So I go down and just reevaluate. Like I think of that date till date. वो क्या एकदम like I felt so like was CA, being a doctor, like everything in your life, like it's 2020. And it's so कि my parents don't have a problem. But it's so कि other people do, like जो 27th floor पे रहती है या 10th floor पे रहती है, वो आंटी को just to know कि their students are studying in like Singapore or something, and I'm still studying in India in a good enough college, when they act all oblivious. Oh Christ, oh where is it? And when they tell कि oh my बच्चा is studying in Singapore, मैंने नाम नहीं सुना है वो कॉलेज का, यूनिवर्सिटी का. कोई तो ऐसे कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा है बच्चा, वही मिला वहाँ पर एडमिशन, ठीक है. हाँ, oh my God, so oblivious they act ना कि oh Bangalore, oh okay, that pity in their voice ना. Oh
yes, exactly.
हाँ कि नहीं कि बच्चा चला गया, now is doing well for that. नहीं, which college हो, Bangalore, क्या कर रहे हो, ना पूछेंगे ना कुछ. कॉलेज के नाम से सब derive कर दिया कि like this is a certain child, this year.
Right.
And I feel that's so bad in like 2020. It's like my parents don't have a problem. Like why are there so many people who do have a problem? And the fact कि just because I'm not doing doctor or not studying to be a CA or an engineer is less of work than just being a BBA student. Like I don't get it. पढ़ाई होती है, whether it be studying 5 years or 3 years or 2 years. So it's still studying. It's still, just because मेरे को कम है पढ़ाई, कम तो मैं बोलूंगी नहीं. People still find people still find this much of course. This much of course in syllabus a lot. ठीक है. I like doing it. That's why I have a spare little time left. वो क्यों है सबको कि just because I'm not like being the conventional 3, मैं कुछ और करके I want to do something different because I think I will like doing it. Why is it so still, so I say like ajeeb? And like I remember not getting 90 up in 12th, and when everyone was asking you ना कि कितना मिला, कितना आया, ओ ट्यूशन ग्रुप में डालो कितना आया मार्क्स मैथ्स में, अकाउंट्स में. I felt so what's the point? You are just going to satisfy yourself कि ये बच्चे को इतना मार्क्स आया, हमने इतना दिया, ट्यूशन में पढ़ा है बच्चा, cool. But I still don't get it. Like my parents support me so
That's-
much.
Yes, exactly. That's the Indian society in general nutshell कि यार ये है, you know, they just want to talk about their kids कि वो XYZ जगह पे है, but they're not actually
हाँ
interested कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, क्या है. That's
कर रहे हो.
that's the Indian society, and also because you correctly mentioned कि it's generally the case कि ठीक है science अगर आपने लिया है तो it's generally you're good at maths and science, but that does not mean that you are good at life skills which include communication skills and negotiation skills, the basic चीजें to how to express.
Exactly. I know so many friends of mine who are becoming doctors and engineers or CAs have zero like street skills. I wouldn't even call it life skills. They are not street smart at all. I know the topper of my class in 10th and 12th is not as street smart as anyone who would have gotten like a whatever certain number of marks.
Right.
Huh, whatever be it. Like there's so many who are still not, तुम जितना भी पढ़ाई करो, you're still not, you're 20. My mom says कि my brother and my mom says कि 18 में रूल होना चाहिए बच्चे को बाहर भेजो पढ़ने के लिए, ना वो घर पे रहे, because it's so much. You will never learn independency. I know some of my friends are still dependent on their parents so much on doing small things, is going down, going to the anywhere to do shopping, parents चाहिए. And my mom so tells me सब मेरे बिना कर लेगी, मेरी क्या जरूरत है, सब तो कर ही लेती है मेरे बिना.
Because you're hostel returning लड़की, ऊपर से self confident लड़की, in the way she knows what she is doing. So अभी now you know in इस scenario में the moms are more like sarcastic, like हाँ कर लो, अभी तो मेरी कहाँ ही जरूरत है, अभी तो सब कुछ अपने आप करने लगे हो ना. That's actually the way what it works. And also now that Shraddha, you mentioned about like the toppers who don't.
हाँ मेरी क्या जरूरत है.
So also Shraddha, when you talk about the people who aren't having that street smart skills, and that is a major chunk of the audience at the end of the day who actually come to you and say कि Shraddha, यार मेरी ये boyfriend है, girlfriend है, crush है, इसके लिए एक letter. श्रद्धा तू हंसती है ना तो ये मीटिंग.
Yeah.
You have to do something.
Can you repeat what you said?
I'm saying that the moment you laugh very like you know laughing अच्छे से तो पूरा मीट खत्म हो जाती है. पता नहीं मीट has against your laugh. But हाँ, so we were talking कि यार यही जो लोग हैं the so called toppers according to the society and according to the society का ये बहुत सही लाइफ जी है. यही लोग तुम्हें आके बोलते हैं कि श्रद्धा यार मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड क्रश के लिए एक लेटर लिखो, तो तब वो आंटी को जाके हाउ डू यू रिएक्ट, लाइक ओह अब मेरी जरूरत पड़े. दैट इज एक्चुअली द केस हाउ इन कंपनी इट वर्क्स, राइट?
Yeah, when you told me this, no, I think you should take an interview of my mom also. Okay, so the way, so I know the two toppers of my class who are doing very well. Okay, for themselves they're doing very well. Came up to me and asked me ki, what are the quotes and what are the prices. So I sent them the prices ki SSN and all of that. Right. And then they said ki acha, can you give me a little discount? That's when the toppers of my class have come and asked me ki Shraddha discount de de. My letters are not 2,000 7,000 10K, ठीक है, near the amount that you will go and spend outside एक दिन में नीचे जाके. It's a very minimal amount, ठीक है. And they said ना, my mom has laughed so much about this कि finally मेरी जरूरत पड़ी, पर पड़ी भी कैसे पड़ी, the way they have asked. I thought कि I used to be so envious of these people at a point of time कि मैं इनके जैसे अच्छे नहीं कर रही हूँ मार्क्स में, and like I should be better like them because then you know it would make people happy. At that point of time I felt कि oh now I have the control. Now you know they have come to me.
Exactly. It's more like कि कंपनी में even the engineers and वो लोग तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट सर्विस बना लेंगे, बट जब तुम्हें फिर HR की जरूरत पड़ती है, you need the sales and marketing team to actually get the product out.
Yeah.
Similar कि ठीक है तुमने गर्लफ्रेंड ला दी, चलो great, good. So you have a good bank account, great. Now you need me when you actually have to express yourself, and that is the most important thing. Because इतना सब कुछ किया है, अगर तुम्हें लोगों से बात करनी,
हाँ,
तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ तुम्हें शेयर करना नहीं आ रहा, तो तुम क्या मतलब what exactly?
क्या ही करोगे? हाँ,
वही, हर जगह श्रद्धा श्रद्धा नहीं हो सकता ना. And this is a shame
हाँ,
जो तुम्हारी मम्मी आके कहती है कि ओ ये
हाँ.
तो Christ की. इंटरेस्टिंग. तो यार ये पूरा जो ट्रांजिशन हुआ, एंड आल्सो फॉर द ऑडियंस एज वेल, so I mean, I've been talking to Shraddha, and Shraddha says that this all idea started off with a poll that she put on Instagram, saying ki what if I write letters to you for you, and you can have it in a pura way, you tell me your story, and I'm going to write it down and share it to your concerned person. And you got great responses on it. Tell me about that point of a time where you thought it can actually be a big thing, in the way that it can not just be restricted for your social circles and your friend and all, but now you can actually go and take an order from a stranger, make them like comfortable in sharing their own story with you, and then actually run through the whole process of logistics as well. A business side se agar baat kare, so you need to have the letter, you need to put it in proper way, you need to have the brand, you need to think about the logistics ke liye delivery kahan se hogi, kaise hogi. So what did actually you started working on that, and when did it happen?
So I know when I made my account public in the start of this year, when I had gotten my first open mic.
Okay.
So I remember now not all of my friends will read my poetry. The entire world will one day know me ki will be my identity ki I'm that person that you can write. Just I don't use big words. Okay?
Right.
I don't use extravagant like groupie call ke words. Haiku is it's her own style. But yes. I know I just wanted to be relatable to that one person. Mm-hmm. Okay? That's when I opened my account. Then when this entire lockdown and all happened, I was like, I'm getting so bored at home. And I'm doing art, etc. So why just not do it for other people who really want it? So that's when I put it out. And I think that was one mistake that I made, that I did not research properly about what is supposed to go into the marketing and logistics and etc. I always had this thinking, I will never separate my art from me. Like never separate the art from the artist. I will never separate it from me. Right. But there came a point of time where I was just like, you know what, I'll just create a new and people think कि मैंने November में चालू किया, but it's way back in like.
It's way back, right?
And and when I started doing it, I used to tie a single thread around and give it in those envelope आते हैं ना जिसमें सब छोटे-छोटे जो जिसमें पैसे देते हैं.
शादियों में कार्ड envelope use किए जाते हैं and reception के time.
हाँ.
Interesting.
So I use those things and realized it's not good enough to look at it. Like I need to create a brand out of it. And that's when I started I will call this Letters by Shraddha, because I'm writing letters. So if you want, you can come. And then that started just letters. Okay? When I got the hang of making letters, using all the inventory, creating inventory, having inventory, making inventory, another big thing I never thought that I would have to do. Right. That happened. Then I upscaled it. I was like, this is it. Now I can go ahead and do gifts. Then right. I decided and I don't wrap it in those conventional wrappers. I always thought just make gifts. And if I would want to receive something that's the way it's supposed to go out to people. So I got silver and golden wrapping with silver and golden ribbons, which look damn amazing. Meko achhe lagta hai. I don't know about other people. Okay? Like, because that's the way I would want to receive my gifts. Okay? Then that happened, and I remember like this one time where we were talking in entrepreneurship class. What is it and all of that. That day before class, my sir had called me up and he's like, Shraddha, I know you have a business of your own, and would you like to talk about what you have done wrong in your business, and like where did you think you could have done better? In a class of 140 people, like we have two classes combined, and I was like, sir called me up and asked me to tell me what problems I had, because that is supposed to be a lesson. That was our lesson for that day. We were talking about the challenges and etc. of entrepreneurs and startups. And I was like, oh no, मैं आज पढ़ाऊंगी. So the way he asked me about everything, and I did a workshop also recently about how to start something out of your passion. उसके अंदर भी I just said one thing कि research करना कितना important होता है. I did not understand, like being a BB honor student also, I did not understand ki how much research means. And that the one interesting thing is the person who gave me my first order for letters was the first person to give me my first order, was the same person to give me the first order for my gift hampers.
Wow.
So मैंने जो gift hampers का पूरा चालू किया was the same person who took my first letter. Nice. And I think I have such a special connection with her. She is a complete stranger. Okay. I know her through a friend of a friend, and she's a complete stranger to me. I had never talked to her before this, and the day that she decided that she wants to do this, she called me. She's like, "Oh, I just saw it, and this is such a perfect, like everything was like God sent."
Perfect.
And that's like the same person I did my first hamper for, and I think it is so much more like people understand it's just writing. I have seen these people, like when you said na starting me ki business chalana is not whoever it may be, from wherever they may come.
Right.
Okay? Just because I don't have a studio, and just because my life earnings don't survive or depend on it, okay? Like I'm not using that money for my own expenses. My parents are still taking care of it, and I'm so thankful कि I am in that position कि I'm earning for my future. I'm not earning for my present.
My present. Interesting.
And so just because I'm doing that doesn't mean it becomes lesser of a job, or it means lesser just because I'm writing. And I know this one person had put a story out on their Instagram saying ki, this is a proper local business, and this person doesn't write letters or like write-ups on Instagram for money. And I'm like, just because someone out there couldn't take a skill out, like make money out of a skill, that doesn't mean that people can't do it and you shame them for doing it. Like I know there's so many comments on that reel. My mom has read through the 162 comments that are there till date. Every day she looks at them. And she will, I have an entire video of her laughing and, telling ki, someone had told what a waste or resources, and like, she, just did this. How is it going so yeah? I'm like, do it on your own. Who is stopping you? So it's so easy to go and give hate to people ki, oh, you just use this. Oh, you just use this. Oh, what a waste of resources. I did it. I am so glad that I did it, even if it be paper, likho, and writing people's words. I did it. And I have sort of created my identity out of it. I write letters. And I know there are up to amount of people in my class who have talked shit ki arey aise. I know. But I just go thinking to bed, whatever helps the other person sleep at night, be it.
Exactly. Yeah, matlab, this is something more of the like ki, yeah, every time and everywhere we go, as you talked about the society ke time pe bhi, whenever you are going into this uncharted territory, people will firstly laugh at you. Will kya shuru kiya hai? And slowly start getting the results. Slowly as you start getting the orders, and they're like, oh, फिर दे स्टार्ट से डीफेमिंग कि हाँ इसमें क्या ही बड़ी चीज है, लेटर लिख रही है सिंपल, ये तो कोई भी लिख सकता है, मैं भी लिख सकता हूँ, इसकी क्या जरूरत है, ऐसे कौन लेटर लिखने की जरूरत है, इसलिए तीसरी बंदी को बोलना पड़ रहा है. So there are going to be people, and we are very thankful to Shraddha कि उन्होंने से सबके कान बंद रखे and she focused on what she is doing.
हाँ, whatever helps him sleep at night ना. मतलब तुम अभी क्या ही बोलोगे इंसान को. My brother tells me like all the comments, ठीक है, whether they be good or bad, and I think that's a perfect response. Like the comment, whether it be, and I make sure I go out of my way to thank the people who have taken out their time and wrote, oh wow, I love the concept, oh wow, this is beautiful. I take my time out and I reply to them, even though I may be busy. I'm studying right now, I know I reply to them. But the satisfaction also of giving a like to the people who have just, but I'm so thankful also for them कि उन लोग ने मेरे को 5 व्यू वो कमेंट टाइप करते करते मेरे को 5 व्यूज मुफ्त के देके गए. Like thank you for it.
Interesting. Great way to look at it. A very positive outlook Shraddha has got. Interesting. अच्छा तो यही Shraddha, on coming on to this कि ठीक है, amidst there is going to be negativity, and especially in this scenario, especially putting it in the way कि ठीक है, ऊपर से a student, because a lot of middle-aged people are trying to get big into the fields of art, or into the fields of like hospitality, अगर chocolates के scenario में अगर वैसे, and then this year of a 20-year a girl, and who is still starting out, and she's making so good, people are bound to so basically they're feeling bad, और वही वो comments में लिखते हैं, तो उसका ऐसा टेंशन लेने की तुम्हें जरूरत है नहीं. अभी ये मुझे
हाँ, मेरे को तो है ही नहीं कोई टेंशन. जिसको लिखना है लिखे, वो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है, मेरे को व्यूज देके जा रहा है,
व्यूज देके जा रहा है, मैं खुश हूं और मैं उनको हार्ड करके और अच्छा फील करूंगी. दैट्स
मैं क्या करूं, वो लोग ने मेरे को 5-10 व्यूज दे दिए वो एक फालतू कमेंट लिखने के.
And what about the time? Obviously, I've talked about the first stranger who was the first order key for the letters and for the gift articles as well. Walk me through the time when was you had an order which was so very emotional, be it like the letter to a father or mother or sister, whoever it may be. I want to know that very special moment of that very special person you thought you felt so connected with.
There was not a time where, so I am very good at my emotions where I need to express them completely and where I need to like cut it off completely. Okay? You will see it from my face, like my face tells it all, ki I'm sad, irritated, angry, whatever. I think, but when I write letters now, I write them from the thing that I would want to read, or I would want to give my nearest and dearest ones. So I think I wrote a letter for a father recently. That was that time it was like the biggest amount of money that I had received. And so when I was writing the content, he had given me a very brief and when I was writing the content, I got that was the first time that I've ever done it. It was once in the 60-70 orders that I've completed till now. That was the first time that I got emotional. Like that was the first time that I felt like, okay, yeah, this is also what I want to tell my dad, but I don't think so I have like the capability to do this. And not like I don't express, okay, but like that just, I think when I was writing it, when I was on my phone, I was writing it, I was just like, okay, this is something that I have written completely so deep from my heart that I'm so emotional about it. And I just like shed one tear. I was like, ठीक है, चलेगा. पापा को पता है. And then I completed the writing and sent them the draft.
Interesting. Okay, so also yeah, now for the people and who will be watching it, and obviously for your future customers, walk us through the entire process. Let's say कि जय को लिखना है कोई फ्यूचर में आने वाली लड़की के लिए.
Yeah.
हाँ. So the point being कि for let's say कि Jay has to write a letter to a girl, and so what is the process of how it actually starts and ends it?
And so the process of the letter is that you ask me what are my prices, etc. Who do you want to give it to? So I sent you like my codes and the type of papers that I have. And then you go ahead and ask. I give you an option for you writing the content or me writing the content for you. And in such a case where you want to ask someone out and you can't find those words, obviously that's why you have come to me and knocked on my door. So I go ahead and write the content for you after you answer a few basic questions. Okay? So you ask me I answer you.
What are the basic questions like what do you want, like? So I'm asking because a lot of time, and I talk to people, and so in current COVID scenario, a lot of relationships, digital relationships to be called, वो अभी ऐसे शुरू हुए कि लड़का and लड़की haven't met each other yet. So
I think they are very much like, what is their name? How do you want me to address them? How do you feel towards that person? How is the relationship like, in at least like a week? If they give me like at least that, it depends upon the person, how they respond to that that questions gives me a lot of idea about how much that person feels for that person. Like, you know, like the way the writing style of that's so much more in depth in psychology ways mein, but when the way the way they are proactively communicating with you talks a lot about how much that one order means to them, and how much getting this across to the person that they want to give it to is how much that matters to them.
Right.
So after, like, what is special moments, etc., that you would want me to include. So I then after that I drop a draft and then I send it to them. They
Okay.
say yes or no, whatever the draft may unko jo bhi lagta hai. I do the changes, or if there are no changes, then I write it down. And then, but I make sure no matter how many orders, if I'm even going to be mass producing or whatever the future holds, I will make sure कि हर order जो pack हो रहा है वो इंसान को I'm walking through that entire process of packing that order. Like I send them the photo of the paper after it's been written. You know, I send them कि मैंने यहाँ पर एक knot बांधा है. I've tied it up and I've made another knot here. This is how I folded the paper. You know, this is on the name tag. You want to write it. I've just packed it right now. This is how the packing looks like. I think that is so much more important. And no one has complimented that, or no one has said कि oh, this is a good or bad practice. But मेरे को एक बार एक customer ने बोला था, it is so good that you know you're walking through, because we don't know what is going to reach to the other person.
Right.
वो other person एक कोने में बैठा होगा, they don't know what's going to reach to them. At least they should have an idea of what is reaching to them.
Yes.
So you know, as much as that person is not anticipating, this person giving to them is anticipating a lot. So that matters more.
Wow. And also तो इसी about this as well, when the time there is कि do you ever over exaggerate your stuff when you're writing, or under exaggerate कि मतलब, for example, if I am very bad at even expressing my emotions to you, in the sense कि मुझे ये लड़की के लिए लिखना है, but I'm not also able to communicate that to you as well. So have you ever like?
So I medium play it. I play it in a very safe code. When they tell me कि I've had clients who I don't like this, थोड़ा और लिखो, और थोड़ा weight it up. That's when I add more to it, and they are agree. Like I play it to the safest that I can.
Right.
I make sure कि even though if it's being the safest, I don't compromise on the way I'm writing. So at least वो एक है.
Wow, wow. Wow. So I was talking to people, and obviously they have a bit of questions as in about this, and I want to know, like, from this side as well, what if, because this comes from also the whole idea about a stranger writing a letter to your loved one, to whoever it is. So that is point to, and because background engineering ladko ka hai, तो मैं बता दूं question किस टाइप. So the question is,
yeah, bring it on.
The question is कि तुम्हें कैसे पता कि ये लड़की actually, you know, we are that close, which I'm pretending to you. So the question is कि I might not that be very close to her, but I will ask you to write a very close, I mean, so-called letter to her, and you might also end up writing one, and issues might as a startup. So what, have you encountered such an issue, or like how would you as a do with it?
So I have one order that is filed pending, that is pre-booked. For them to write, for example, I've written ask out letters ki, you know, I really like this girl, I want to ask her out, put it in the end that, you know, I'm asking her out. So I just ask them one simple question: how long have you known each other? How does she also, like, at least I give a background to myself also, and कि कितने साल से तुम जानते हो एक दूसरे को, like at least that I get time is not a deciding factor, but when situations like this arise, right, like I've not encountered it, and I hope I don't encounter it, because I don't want to break houses, and मैं घर नहीं तोड़ना चाहती, and that is one thing. But I've had one, but I've only asked people out. Like I've asked girls out, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and girls are very much ki, girls are very much ki, they do this is the content and you write it for us. They don't want, girls are protective that way, so I don't mind. So
interesting. So the most ask out letters that you have written have been for like girls by boys, right? That's the general.
Yeah.
has it happened ulta? I want to know, like in general, as a being a curious, how has it been the other way around? Like girls asking boys or girls taking the first lead about even getting serious about the relationship, say maybe proposal for the eventual marriage as well?
No, I have marriage proposals lined up right now, and
Wow.
I am so privileged कि वो लोग मेरे medium के through they want to bring up the question, but I am so honored for that, to be honest. कि someone is deciding, like a tattoo, like you are waiting and you trust the person to get that process done. When they say like, oh, I want to ask her out for marriage, I feel so privileged at that point. I'm like, oh my God, just tell me if she says yes. Just let me know. I will write the best letter possible for you. And like girls are, I don't know about the boys who have received letters or etc. But their letters are very. उनको पता है उनको क्या बोलना है. लड़कियों को हर वक्त पता होता है उनको क्या बोलना है, कैसे अपना words play करना है, कैसे like they have to put their feelings across. Boys don't have that, but some do. I know like my club's writing head is very good with his words. I know, but girls are more protective. कि they are still in that ये मतलब लड़कों का क्या है, हाँ कोई काम करके दे रहा है तो सही है ना. With like girls, it's like how will you know? Like girls are more presumptuous. How will you know that? You know?
How did you know? How would you know?
Like how?
उस टाइम पे जब मैं बीमार थी, वो मेरे लिए पूरी रात जागा था. तुझे क्या?
How did he do this? हाँ, तो I don't force also them कि I know how girls are. ठीक है? And I just recently had an order also कि you write the content, and if I don't like the content, then I will give you my content. But sometimes it doesn't work that way because I spend so much time writing that content, and there is a possibility कि someone is going to go ahead and scrap that completely. I don't like it because you have not written up to my expectation. So for those people, it's just कि तुम दे दो content, it's okay.
Interesting.
And for some people, it's just the money कि तुम्हें इतना discount मिलता है उस पे तो.
Okay. Wow. And so you mentioned कि लड़के लोग इतने अच्छे नहीं होते about sharing. So and for ठीक है अभी मेरा put it aside. So what about those 5 things which you would like to like tell and put it across to all boys who will be listening this? What should they do? And this is not just about writing letters. It can be very simple WhatsApp message or how you greet your friend or your female friend or your crush or your female friend, whoever it is कि जब तुम मिलते हो. So about this 5 things coming from a girl. Firstly, Shraddha being a girl who is committed. Shraddha being a girl who writes letter for strangers. इस तरीके से sorted आप मुझे बता.
So पहला तो respect boundaries. ठीक है, like I get it. पहले तो वो तो main होना चाहिए. Before any hi hello, तुम पहले सोच लो भाई तुम where are you stepping into, which territory you are stepping into, and like respect her boundaries. Like that's every girl has separate boundaries. Just because your ex or your previous crush did not have this boundary, that doesn't mean that the girl that you are liking right now will have those same boundaries. She will have completely different set of boundaries. So वो respect वो तो करना ही होता है. Then second would be message तो ठीक है, but if she sends you pictures or if she tells you कि oh I uploaded a new post on Instagram या कुछ ना, please तुम कमेंट ना करो, बस उसको भेज दो you look pretty, बस कर दो, तुम्हारा नहीं जाएगा टाइम. ठीक है, तुम लिख दो बस you look pretty, you look nice, ओ हार्ट आए, जो भी करना कर लो, बस इतना कर लेना, बस बेसिक.
Put your ego aside for a while and बस मैसेज कर दो.
हाँ. And third, I will like third में मैं क्या बोलूँ कि when see, okay, I think third में like I don't know, she will. I mean, obviously, listening to her is one important ये, but ना मैं सुनती हूँ ना मैं सबके ऊपर like I don't listen a lot. Like this is one of my parents' biggest complaint कि मैं सुनती नहीं हूँ किसी का भी. ठीक है, that's good in some ways and bad in also some ways कि मैं किसी का भी नहीं सुनती हूँ and और अच्छा है कि मैं किसी का भी नहीं सुनती हूँ. हाँ, तो like but hear her out, sometimes she will drop hints here and there कि उसको ये चाहिए वगैरह, मतलब इतना ज्यादा ध्यान से मत, I mean pay attention, ठीक है,
Okay. Okay.
but
So
I don't know this,
that's
the
that's
way
something
she
that I
is
would like to
giving.
know, Shraddha, I would like to know. So what about this moment? कि if you get a photo from a girl and the photo में ये है कि she is showing you her nails, nail paint उसने किए हुए हैं, and background में उसने Amazon पे कोई तो ड्रेस खुला हुआ है, ठीक है?
हाँ,
So now is the photo just to show कि इसने नए नेल पेंट्स लगाया, या फिर वो एक हिंट है कि भाई मुझे ये Amazon से ड्रेस चाहिए, या फिर something
now that will be like two different, ठीक है, I think when you, for me as a girl, ठीक है,
right.
like for these some girls it is not a big deal, but if it goes to an extent of giving him that close hints ki, oh see I look did my nails and पीछे मेरा particularly एक dress या कुछ type of
Exactly.
jewelry या कुछ भी खुला हुआ है,
Right.
I mean that's the most I I like to be surprised. I don't want, like मतलब point ही क्या हुआ, मतलब वो that the other person is not working, you are working towards everything, and to be honest, तुम्हें क्यों खोल के दिखाना है कि तुम्हें वो ड्रेस चाहिए, अगर तुम्हें चाहिए होगा भी वो ड्रेस and it's not your nails that you are showing, it's like the dress that कि अगर वो
You
notice
actually
करेगा,
want.
वो लड़का notice करने वाला है नहीं, पहले तो first, and second I mean, on your on that bread, so that you don't need to depend on someone else to buy that one dress for you.
Obvious.
I think
Yes,
that's
yes.
my philosophy कि मेरे को पता है, मेरे को अभी जो पसंद आया, at least my parents will be able to buy it for me, or I will be able to buy it for myself. So before my parents, I will be able to buy it for myself.
Perfect.
तो
Perfect.
वो तो है ही नहीं option कि मतलब when it comes to a point कि तुम्हें पूछना पड़े ना, भाई कट लो, कट ही लो, वहां से get out. It
That's not where
doesn't.
you should be. Yes.
Yeah, that's not where you should be. Where you need to give such straight up hints. Ki, buy me this. You should be like, you should be. It should be the other way around. I'm so on this. It should be the other way around. You should be like, what do you want? Like,
And so what
do you
right
want?
now wants is that October sad and happy wala. Where can I find it?
Sad and October. So basically, I got this as a gift. So it's from Mango people. No, not sponsored. Okay.
Wow.
So many people bought it after I showed this on my Instagram. Yes. And I mean, I would have gotten it at a point of time. I was just thinking of the right opportunity to treat myself with some soft toy. And my mom also showed me this cue. Mama, I know you're going to see this. You were supposed to be buying me a panda, big life-size panda. She told me she'll buy for me. Okay, Mama, I know you're watching this. Okay, that is still left. And so this is I got as a gift, and I was going to buy it at a point of time. When I buy something now I have to think of my roommate also, because my roommate is also so much into like, I always take her decision. Like I have two best friends, really close and dear, matlab my life, okay? And I will always ask their opinion before I do something in my life. Any stupid shit I will do, I will first tell them कि I'm doing this.
Wow. So do they know about this interview going on right now? Have you already told them?
Yes, they do. Yeah. One doesn't know, one is studying for CA, and one obviously knows.
So is this the one that who knows is the actual Delhi roommate, right? That
yes, she's my Delhi roommate.
You actually started off with. Great. Tell her to make an appearance in the comment section. All right. I want to talk.
Yes, I will tell her. Yeah.
Interesting. Great. Okay, so हमने process की बात कर ली, Shraddha. We have talked about how it all started and how it all going. I want to know how your future plans are. Like now, given that it's as of right now, as I know, the company, the Letters by Shraddha is being run by completely you. So you taking the orders via Instagram. You can, so also for the audience, you can DM her, but 99 DMs है अभी unread, जो कि मैडम 17 दिसंबर के बाद ही देखेंगे,
के बाद सब 99 के 99 खुलेंगे, तब एक एक करके सब रिप्लाई किए जाएंगे. So guys, if you're watching and one of my followers and you're waiting कि ये श्रद्धा मिश्रा क्यों नहीं रिप्लाई कर रही है, इंटरव्यू दे रही है, पढ़ना नहीं था क्या इसको, सुबह पढ़ लिया है, और मैं 17 के बाद ही करूंगी orders reply. So
Yes.
हाँ.
So और बाकी के जो भी लोग DM करने वाले उनके लिए you can have whatever you want to ask. She will be providing with a code and that is how the process will start. And trust me,
Yes.
प्यारा लेटर जाएगा तो जिसके भी आप लिए लिख रहे हो mom, dad, brother, sister, girlfriend, ex. Oh, that reminds me. Have you ever written a letter for a breakup or like for an ex की वापस आ जाओ? That's interesting.
I hope so. I am never put in that situation कि मैं
Wow,
like
so lucky.
घर तोड़ना नहीं है भाई किसका मेरे को. I should never be put in that position कि एक letter जाए कि मैं वो breakup कर दूँ. Like I had an issue कि the way I take out my packaging slips, they have the amount mentioned in it or how much the customer is paid or how much is the approx amount. I had an issue in the morning only कि वो amount क्यों लिखा था उस पे.
Okay.
तो amount नहीं होना चाहिए था. It's okay, it's just a round figure, and it was way lesser than what the person had paid, but it was just a round figure. Like, how could you write the money? I'm like, if it is so dependent upon the money that you spent on it and not what is in the letter, like in the box that had gone out, then just reevaluate your choices, please.
Exactly.
I don't reevaluate.
So overall, the interview you will have to find out this Easter eggs of great emotions that she has talked about. Shraddha, indirectly, directly, she has given you great relationship advice. मतलब writing सही है, interview सही है. She's actually talked about really good stuff. So for all the singles and all for all the committed people as well, watch it out. That's something great you should watch out for. So we were talking about key future plans. So now, once you're done with your examinations, and how does 2021 look out for you?
2021 look out for me. I don't know what January is going to look out for me. Because like I am so like in a position. I'm so glad it's completely uncertain. But I don't know how January is going to look like for me. I don't know whether college is going to reopen, where I'm going to go back to college, where I'm going to enjoy the life that I want to live and I deserve to live. Petition hona chahiye. And hopefully there is some good news coming for the vaccine and stuff. But cool. 2021 looks like a lot of things because third year hoga, dissertation honge, research hoga, and a lot of things. And I just hope that I'm doing this all with my 4 close friends of Bangalore. And I just hope कि वो मैं उनके साथ हूँ ये जब भी जो भी करूँगी ना. I just want the people around me and probably an internship, good job on my way from a company that will value me. And if that doesn't happen, देखा जाएगा जो होगा जो whatever is supposed to happen will happen.
This is actually interesting, and this puts me in a very serious type of question. So Shraddha, when you're a student and when you have like this, as you mentioned, this is not your major source of income. This is not like what you're doing for present abhi roti kapda makan ka jo issue wo nahi hai. But a lot of entrepreneurs make this choice bad, good, I don't know, but they make it like startup is that source of income. Like they put it in that way, be it a new idea, be it something that has like existing idea already, but they're trying to better it, but they make it in a way that they have to extract money out of that startup. And in general cases, what happens is startups are bound in such a way that you have to put the money that you get as profit back into it so that the business cycle runs ahead. But at the same time, you have your family to support and you have yourself to support as well. So do you think that talking about student entrepreneurs in specific are better equipped or better placed so as to say कि ठीक है अभी तो पढ़ाई भी कर सकते हैं साइड बाय साइड पूरी बिजनेस चल रहा है, तो ऐसा भी नहीं है अगर बिजनेस खराब चल रहा है या फिर कुछ इश्यू हो गया तो तुम्हारी लाइफ खत्म होगी, लाइक यू हैव नथिंग टू गो फॉर.
आई थिंक I am in a very privileged position कि मैं ऐसे बोल सकती हूँ कि next year 2 साल में अगर जॉब भी नहीं रहा या I'm not doing letters, I will be in a good position in job wise also and GA wise also. I think it is so much more. I don't know about the other entrepreneurs that are there outside because I've never interacted with anyone. And I have they have left work after a while. They have started their own thing and then they have left it in 2 months. Obviously because of their whatever issues maybe. But मेरे को तो ये like I don't know, it's so dependent upon people, right? So तुम you decide what's better for you. तुम्हें gut feeling के हिसाब से मेरे को तो लगता है कि the YOLO thing, no, I've taken too seriously. ठीक है, you only live once and you truly do. जो करना है कर लो, मरना है, घिसकना है, लड़ना है, जो करना है लाइफ में, whatever position you may be at, just do it once. It's just once. Like once and for all. नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, at least you will think ना कि मैंने किया वो. Like at least you will have that satisfaction कि at least I did it. Ki I had an opportunity, I grabbed that opportunity. Even if I did not have an opportunity, I created an opportunity for myself. And it's so much more important कि तुम्हारे पास नहीं है तो तुम create it. It's okay to not have to create something. If that's what you want, create it for yourself.